Imagine stepping out of a hot shower, relaxed and refreshed, only to be greeted by a foggy mirror. You wipe it down or wait for it to clear. Sound familiar? Well, now imagine never dealing with that again. With WarmlyYours Mirror Defoggers, you get a crystal clear reflection every time. No wiping, no waiting, just instant clarity. Now, what are the key benefits? Fog-free performance is one. These heating pads gently warm the mirror to prevent fog from forming in the first place. Turn the light on in your bathroom, your mirror stays clear. It's easily installed. Peel and stick backing makes it simple to attach to the back of your mirror and connect it to your bathroom light or a dedicated switch. It's a very discreet design. It's ultra slim and silent. You won't see it, you won't hear it. Just enjoy the clear mirror when you need it. It's energy efficient. It uses as little as 7 watts per square foot. It's a low-cost, eco-conscious upgrade. Flexible fit is another benefit, available in a variety of shapes and sizes to suit rectangular, circular, or oval mirrors. It's bathroom safe, UL, CUL listed for wet environments, designed to work with GFCI circuits, completely safe for bathroom use. Now we have different size options, rectangular and square sizes, ideal for traditional mirror styles and vanities. Multiple size options cover full or partial services. They come in 12 by 18, 18 by 24, 24 by 32, and 30 by 40 inches. Now our oval and round sizes are perfect for designer mirrors. These maintain their aesthetics while delivering full functionality. The oval sizes are available in 18 by 26 and 24 by 32 inches. The circular sizes are available in 15, 20, and 25-inch diameters. Now, how are these controlled? Well, mirror defoggers are typically wired to your bathroom switch, but they can also be connected to smart switches or programmable timers along with your light switches to add convenience and automation. Now, some frequently asked questions that we get are, how are these installed? Well, they stick on the back of your mirror, they wire to power, and they're recommended to be installed by an electrician. How long does it take to warm up? Well, it clears a mirror in 5 to 10 minutes. Can it be cut to fit? No, it's best to choose a matching size for your mirror. Is it safe for bathrooms? Yes, it's fully certified for wet spaces. Is it smart home compatible? Absolutely. It works with smart switches and timers. Now, why choose WarmlyYours? We offer free design assistance from layout experts, 24/7 tech support for any questions or issues, and proven reliability with trusted use across North America. It's simple to install, energy saving, and practically invisible. With WarmlyYours Mirror Defoggers, every shower ends with a clear reflection and a smoother start to your day. It's the clear bathroom upgrade. Thank you so much for watching.